Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, stock number B9430P. 26,000 miles, and this Grand Cherokee comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Granite Crystal Metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Rear seats recline for greater comfort, as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Laredo has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, along with customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, paddle shifters for when the 8-speed automatic transmission is put into manual mode, touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, dual zone automatic temperature control, compass, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. That 8-speed automatic transmission, and lots of storage space in the armrest, along with a large glove box with all the owner's. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6 liter V6, 295 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. And don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.